Hey everybody, David here. You know what's great? Besides, this glorious HD resolution and amazing sound quality, spring is here. The birds are chirping, the flowers are blooming, and it's time to ditch those winter blues and get out there. We're talking new beginnings, fresh starts, and maybe even a few fun new hobbies to try. So buckle up, Buttercup, because I'm about to throw some awesome spring hobby ideas your way. First up, we got to talk about gardening. I know, you might be thinking, gardening? That's my grandma's jam. But trust me on this one, folks. There's something so satisfying about getting your hands dirty, planting some seeds and watching them grow. Plus you get fresh veggies, beautiful flowers, or even some sweet-smelling herbs. It's like a little miracle right in your backyard. And the best part, you don't need a green thumb to get started. Start small with a window box of herbs or a few tomato plants. Before you know it, you'll be trading zucchini recipes with the neighbors and bragging about your prize-winning petunias. Alright, next up is for all you nature lovers out there. Hiking. Spring is the perfect time to hit the trails, guys. The weather is warming up, the trees are bursting with new life, and the air just smells fresher, It's like Mother Nature hit the reset button. Plus, hiking is not only good for the soul, but it's also a great workout. You're getting some exercise, breathing in that fresh air and clearing your head. Talk about a win-win-win. And hey, you never know what you might see out there. Maybe you'll spot a deer, a family of rabbits, or even a grumpy-looking squirrel hoarding nuts. Now, this next hobby is for my peeps who appreciate the finer things in life, like the soothing sounds of nature and the beauty of birds in flight. That's right, I'm talking about bird watching. And no, you don't need to be a crazy cat lady or dude to enjoy this one. There's something so mesmerizing about watching birds do their thing. The colors, the songs, the way they soar through the air. It's like a live-action National Geographic special. Just grab a pair of binoculars, head to your local park or nature reserve, and start spotting those feathered friends. You might even discover a new favorite bird, like the cedar waxwing with its cool little mask, or the Baltimore oriole with its bright orange feathers. All right, for all you adrenaline junkies out there, I've got the perfect spring hobby for you, cycling. Dust off that old bike, pump up the tires, because we're hitting the open road or those scenic bike trails. There's nothing quite like feeling the wind in your hair. Helmet on, of course. Safety first, folks. The sun on your face and the freedom of two wheels beneath you. Plus, it's a killer workout. You'll be toning those legs, getting your heart rate up, and maybe even working on that summer bod without even realizing it. Just remember to follow the rules of the road, wear bright clothing, and maybe invest in a good bike bell to alert those pedestrians you're whizzing past. Last but not least, we've got a hobby for all you creative souls out there. Painting! Spring is the perfect time to unleash your inner artist, folks. With all the vibrant colors popping up in nature, you'll have endless inspiration. Just imagine, you, an easel, a blank canvas, and the great outdoors as your muse. You could paint a beautiful landscape, a still life of some springtime flowers, or even just let your imagination run wild and create an abstract masterpiece. The sky's the limit, and hey, even if you think you can't draw a straight line, who cares? The point is to have fun, relax, and let that creative energy flow. There you have it. 5 fantastic hobbies to make the most of your springtime, so get out there and enjoy the season. Whether you're digging in the dirt, hitting the trails, or channeling your inner artist, there's something for everyone to enjoy during this wonderful time of year. And hey, if you try any of these hobbies, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay awesome, stay curious, and keep on springing.